Howdy, it's Linda from Veggie Outlaws, and today we're making beautifully blended blueberry smoothies. So hop on board and let's get cooking. So we start with 1/4 cup of chopped medjool dates, and then we add in 1/2 cup of just boiled water. Just let them soak for about 5 minutes. 1/2 cup of oat milk. 1 1/2 cups of frozen blueberries. 1 cup of silken tofu. 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. 1 teaspoon of culinary lavender, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. A handful of ice, and add it to our dates. Stir it, let it cool. Once it's cool, we're going to add it. Put on the lid and process. After about 2 minutes, it's nicely processed. Look at that. So beautiful. Once it's done, we're going to divide it evenly between our 2 cups. Let's give it a taste. It's so good. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.